Hello friends, this video is created only for educational purpose. In this video, I will show how to delete site storage data in our Chrome browser. First open Chrome browser, then go to three dots shown in top right corner, click on it. So then window display like this, then click on the settings, so this is scroll down and scroll down to the site settings, click on it. So this is shown like this, and scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. There is data stored, so click on it. So this is storage data in our site. Delete, click on the delete all data, and then click on it, delete. You can come back, data store, then scroll down, and the data will be delete the similar manner, delete all data, delete. We'll come back to when data store. If there is any remaining data which is stored in our browser, we can delete in this way. This is only created for educational purpose. Share, subscribe, and like. Thank you.